here at the Minthis construction site, which will become the heart of this luxurious destination resort. Construction is well progressed, with the exteriors of the buildings almost complete and the luxurious interior fit-outs soon to be done. Here at the village square, we can find a range of amenities including shops, bars, restaurants and boutiques. Next to us, the first phase of the residential suites will cater for short-term letting accommodation for our guests.
Welcome to our 2,700 square meter destination wellness spa. We've reached an exciting stage of construction. Now you can see the scale, size and quality of our spaces. The indoor-outdoor design as well as the high level of craftsmanship will make this space totally unique.
Minthis demonstrates Paphilia's commitment to innovation, design and quality. It is a true concept-oriented project with a long-term vision. With hundreds of properties already delivered and the infrastructure almost complete, the demand has never been stronger. We feel very proud for Minthis. It is a true lifestyle destination resort with beautiful properties, incredible facilities and a stunning location in a protected Natura 2000 site. Such developments, they compete on a global scale and they firmly place Cyprus on the international map of premium real estate and investment.